In the previous step, we added the feature for the representatives to close the ticket. In this tutorial, we are going to display real-time notifications whenever a new reply is posted on the ticket. For real-time communication, we need to install a module named Socket.io. And we will install its client-side library. And jQuery, it is required for displaying notification. After install, restart the app. And go to your app header.view. Include the I/O function from Socket.io library. And initialize a variable that will store the Socket.io connection. And when the app is loaded, before fetching the user data, we will create our socket connection with the server. And when the response from GetUser API is received, we will attach a listener to the event new notification. When this event is received, we will call the notify function to display the notification. Now we need to download the Notify.js library. Paste its JS file inside source, assets. JS folder. And also include this JS file at the top. Now we need to include the Socket.io module in our server.js file as well. Make sure you have installed it in server side too. And also create an empty array where we will store all connected users' socket ID. And when the database is connected, listen to all incoming connections. Then we need to send the user ID when the user data is fetched. We will emit an event connected and pass the user ID to it. And inside connection, we will listen to this event. And save the socket ID in user's array along with his user ID. Then go to tickets.js module. And inside the post reply API. Before sending the success status. Initialize a user object, we will use it later. We will run different code for user and for representative. If the reply is from a user, then we need to send notification to all the representatives. So get all replies in reverse order so that the latest representative comes first. Create an array where we will add all the representatives whom the notification should be sent. Then loop through all the ticket replies. Get the role of user. If it is representative, then get his ID. And we need to add in reps array only if not added already. Flag is used to prevent duplication. Then loop through all representatives. Create a notification object. Add in notifications collection. Then emit the socket IO event. Into function, we will pass the user's socket ID from user's array. And emit. First parameter will be the name of the event. And second will be the text that will be sent. And if the reply is from a representative, then we will simply create a notification object. Add in notifications collection. And emit the event. But this time, we will be using user's ID from ticket created by object. So the notifications are being received correctly. In the next tutorial, we will make it to append the reply automatically in the list when a new reply is posted.